Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you the text-to-video generator invideo AI, a tool that's changing the way we create videos. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated. So what is invideo AI? It's an incredible text-to-video platform that turns your text prompts into ready-to-publish videos. Imagine creating a full-fledged video without writing scripts, generating voiceovers, or doing any editing, all thanks to AI. Let's get started. Visit the invideo AI website from the link in the description and sign in with your email. Once you're in, make sure to enable the beta feature in your profile settings to access the latest updates and features. Head over to the Create AI Video section and select Model 2.0 for the best results. Here you can input your prompts, instructions, or even a full script of up to 25,000 words. Be sure to specify the video duration, type, and topic clearly. Let's see the magic. After submitting your prompt, invideo AI will analyze it, ask a few questions about your target audience and desired look, and then generate a complete video with a script, voiceover, B-rolls, and background music in just a few minutes. Let's see the magic.
And get ready to be amazed, because today we're diving into the heart of China. From majestic mountains to buckle up, grab your cannot miss in China.
Now, let's talk about the unique features. You can clone voices and change the video language. For instance, if I want a voiceover in Praveen's voice or want to switch the video language to French, invideo AI does it within seconds. Once you're satisfied with the video, you can download it in resolutions up to 4K. This tool is perfect for content creators who want high-quality videos with minimal effort. The main issue with AI videos not being monetized is when they repeatedly use the same AI voice. If viewers keep hearing the same AI voice, their interest will wane, which is not what YouTube wants. Most people are generating videos using free AI voices, which is why those videos are not being monetized. However, those using premium AI voices are having their videos monetized. Try it out through the link in the description and let us know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. See you in the next video.